right, guys, so welcome back to video number 2, or welcome to video number 2, but welcome back to explanations. So, markups and discounts. Anytime you go to the store, the item that you're buying did not cost the owner, as much as they charge you. That's how they make their money. So when we talked about Lucky Star, we talked about the one soda that you buy from them for $1 versus the 6 sodas. Let's just say they bought 6 sodas and they only paid $3 for them, but they charge you $1 for each soda. Well, they paid $3, but they're going to earn $6, which means they earn an extra $3. That's the markup. So a jewelry store buys bracelets from a manufacturer for $7 each. The store marks up the price by 150%. What does the bracelet sell for in the store? So my numbers, okay, and then we have our question. So they get them for $7 each, and it's 150%. Whenever you're looking at markup, you're going to look at your retail price, which is here. That's what they get it by. They get it retail. They call it retail value. The retail, they get that. And then you're going to look at, that's going to equal your wholesale price, which is here, plus your markup price. So our retail value is what you buy for it, the retail value is how much you pay. So you pay Lucky Star $1 per soda. So I want 6 sodas because all my friends are thirsty. I paid them $6 for 6 sodas. That's the retail price. The manufacturer's price is something different, and then we find out what the markup is. How much more am I paying? How much more as the consumer, as the buyer, how much more am I paying than what the store owner paid? Okay? So we're going to set it up like this. You have your equal sign because we don't know what this is. So this is just our unknown value. So we can call it X because you guys do know expressions and equations. Or I can just kind of leave it here. So I'm going to say this is going to equal, my retail value is going to equal the wholesale price, which was $7, plus the markup. The markup is 150% times the 7. Because what you got to do is you got to multiply this times this in order to get how much more the customer is going to pay than the store owner paid. Okay? So let's keep going. We're going to keep it in line. 7. So when I do 150%, this has 3 numbers, right? It has 3 place values. So we can think of it as 3 zeros, which would be 1,000. Or I can just take this percent and I can pretend I'm moving it 2 spaces. That's times. So 1 50 hundredths times 7. Get the calculator. Okay. Yep. $10.50. That's how much it's going to mark up. So my final retail value is 7 plus $10.50, which is $17.50 is what the consumer pays. So even though they bought them for $7 each, they are going to make $10.50 for every single bracelet that they sell you, the customer. Take a picture. I'm going to leave it on this side, and we're going to jump right over here to the discounts. You buy a pair of shoes that are on sale for 15% off the original price of $25. What is the sale price? When you're talking about a discount, that means that the store is giving you some of their profits. What the store is saying is, I want to sell these shoes, so I'm going to lower the price. Now, they're still making money, but they're going to lower the price so that you, the consumer, says, oh, I'm going to save money, so let me go ahead and buy the shoes. So let's just say $25 pair of Nike slides. And I want to get these Nike slides. So I'm going to take my prices, and I'm going to look and say, okay, is this worth me buying? Well, let's take a look. I have my, let me go back to my calculator. Hold on, guys. Okay. So we're going to take the sale price. The sale price, we'll say is X. The sale price is going to equal our original price minus the discount. So our original price minus the discount, okay? So I'm gonna have this, my original price, which is $25, minus my discount of 15%. You have to turn the 15% into a decimal. That's where that converting comes from. 25 minus, how many zeros do I have? I have 2, or I can take my percent and I can move it 2 places, and I get 15 hundredths. Oh wait, did I say 15 or? Yeah. That's that right? Sorry. There we go. So I forgot that one part. So I have my original price times whatever the discount is going to be, because the discount has to be this percentage times the original price. We're always doing times the original price for the discount. So this times the original price. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to plug everything in. So 15 hundredths times 25 is $3.75. So let's recap. This times this. Turn your percent to a decimal. Take the decimal, multiply it by the original price. Then you're going to take the original price and subtract it from this product here. So X, or my sale price, is going to equal this minus this. So this minus that should give you $21.25. Yep, 25 and 75 is $1. That takes that up to 4. Add $4 to there, you get 25. Okay? So that is your final price. Take a screenshot if you need to of these. This is how you figure out markup. This is how you figure out a discount. I'm going to leave that there for a second in case you need to pause and take a screenshot. And we're back. So if you have questions, please let me know. There's going to be one more video, and it's going to be very short. It's just on commission. So I'm going to talk to you about commission on the next video. And like I said, it'll be a very short video, but it will be part of your assignment. So the assignment is markups, discounts, and commission, tax, sales tax, and tip. Okay? So make sure you watch all 3 of these videos. All right? Also, make sure you've watched the conversion video, because then you're going to look at this and say, well, I don't understand how you went from here to here. Okay, so I kind of went over it in the conversion video. You've also done conversions in previous grades. So if you get confused about conversion, just do a Google search. Google search, how do I convert? Check the notes that I'm going to add to Google Classroom as well. It'll tell you how to convert. It'll tell you how to convert one that is above 100%, because above 100% means you're paying more than the whole value or the whole price. So there is, on the notes, it explains how to do this. But like I said, all you're doing is moving that, pretending you're moving that percentage, those 2 zeros, you're pretending you're moving that percentage sign 2 places to the left. That's all you're doing when you're doing percent to the decimal. It's a shortcut, okay? So you're welcome for the shortcut. I'll see you guys in the next video.